Finally, the PlayStation 5's release date in India has been confirmed, and if you do want to know the date when it's going to be releasing in India as well as know the price at India, then watch the video till the end so that you can know these informations. Hi guys, welcome to another video. My name is Elvin, and if you're new here and if you're on the screen, check the latest stuff, then gonna be subscribing and hitting the bell icon so that you don't miss any of the new and updated tech videos. We all are waiting for PlayStation 5 to arrive at India, but you look that we are facing a problem here at India. So a man at Delhi or Mumbai, I don't know exactly, registered the name PS5 all over India, and Sony couldn't release PS5 in India like other countries. But after 2 weeks from this problem, the trademark issue has been resolved and Sony is right now ready to launch the PlayStation 5 product here at India. And I know this information just by seeing this blog, or you can say that one of the reputed website of the tech world. So I'm just going to be showing you with evidence. For this, I'm just going to get into the computer. So with the evidence I told you, so this is by HE Tech, you can see that here. So PlayStation 5 launches on 19th November 2020. So you can see that Sony briefly putting up India's release date of its PlayStation 5 console as November 19, 2020. So the date was pulled up from about its previous date. And now this is the date of PlayStation 5's official website from this one. And if you do want to know the pricings of this section, you can see that Sony has already announced pricing in India. The new console will set you back by 49,990 for regular edition and by 39,990 for digital edition. And the DualSense wireless controller will cost you 5,990 Indian rupees, and the HD cameras come for 5,190 rupees, and the Pulse 3D wireless handset is for rupees 8,590, and the media remote will cost you 2,590. The DualSense charging station will cost you rupees 2,590. So this is the entire pricings of PlayStation 5 in India, and so on November 19th, 2020, this is the release date of India. Before I end this video, I want to know one thing from you, that what is your perspective about the pricing of PlayStation 5 and will you buy PlayStation 5? So let me know in the comment section that if you are buying these answers for these questions as well as these questions. And if you haven't joined our Facebook group, then there will be a link in the description section and you can join the Facebook group. And you see that the Facebook group, it contains about all the tech related stuffs for you, premium contents, tech related stuffs. So it's free to join. It's a Facebook group and its name is Insane Bros, and you can join it by the link in the description section, and you will be stay updated by all the PlayStation 5 and all the tech news. So if you haven't subscribed to the channel, then there will be a link here. And if you haven't watched these 3 videos, then watch these videos. So until then, it's me, elbinbinil. Bye.